I now request Mr. Jagdishwar Gaud, ex-student St. Anne's High School, to share his feelings.
It fills my heart with joy to be associated with you all on this auspicious occasion. Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, respected Executive Director Sri Vancho Garu, Executive Director OSD Sri Ravichandran Garu, Chief Guest of the Day, our Patancheru Member of Legislative Assembly, Sri Nandishwar Gaud Garu, Special Guest, Madam Srimati Suchita Vanchu Garu, GM HR Lakshminarayana Garu, Reverend Jesu Garu, Reverend Thomas Garu, MEO Sudhakar Garu, Reverend Vineet Garu, Chairman Labour Advisory Board Sri Nagabhushnam Garu, Secretary Educational Society Sri Ramnamurthy Garu, GM Community Center Sri Joshua Garu, teachers, friends, parents, students, my warm greetings to you all on the 47th St. Anne's School Annual Day celebrations. It was in the year 1991 I collected my 10th class progress report from the school, and after a gap of 23 years, by virtue of becoming a corporator of Affispate, I was extended the privilege of gracing this occasion. I thank the school management for providing me this opportunity. I take this opportunity to thank my parents, Mrs. Bhagyamma, and my late father, Sri Harishankar Garu, who at that time might have felt that good ideas and values which have to be perpetuated and inculcated in the younger generations should come from the mouth of the teachers in their classes and at all levels of education. With a profound faith, my entire family, that is my two elder sisters and my late elder brother, are the products of this school, and myself also I feel very proud to be a product of this St. Anne's High School. In this speech, it was very pleasant to hear the name of a legendary personality, Swami Vivekananda, who emphasized about education and who strongly asserted that we don't want that education which fills the mind with lot of information, but we want that education by which strength of the mind is increased, intellect is expanded, character is formed, and one is able to stand on their one's own feet. I am very happy that in tune with the aspirations of Swami Vivekananda, the school was successful in providing good foundation for enhancing my knowledge. But before going at length, before I coming to the dais, I just wanted to share my personal feeling with you. I was trying to figure out my class teachers, whether the teachers who taught me are there in this anniversary celebration. It was Madam Shobha Madam, Madam Premila Madam, Madam Davidson, Madam Lucy, Madam Charnakumari, Madam Sesharatnam, Madam Nariman, Madam Geomani, Sir Jogim Sir, and our physical trainee Venkateshwar Sir. Madam Shauri was also a physical trainer. Of late I learnt that Mrs. Davidson, Mrs. Vasanta Madam, Mrs. Kalpavali Madam, Mrs. Nirmala Madam, and few other names I don't remember, they got passed away. My deep condolence to them, my heartfelt condolence to them. So, given this background, our teachers, just now as Mr. Father Thomas was saying, 77% of the school strength in this is apart from the Christians. It shows that this school is a true secular outlook attitude which is implementing in principle. Before the beginning of this meeting, the school has provided a testimony of good thought from Bible, from Bhagavad Gita, from Quran. This is sufficient for us to show that this school is 100% secular. Apart from secular, this school is 100% humanitarian. I am proof to the subject because my father was a sarpanch and a landlord. He was not an employee of this BHEL organization. But owing to the humanitarian tendency of this BHEL organization, I was given an admission, and today I feel very proud and I am very thankful to the institution of St. Anne's High School for being so magnanimous in providing admissions not only to the employees of BHEL students but also other than BHEL students. Coming to the children are the future of the nation. They can provide a strong nation and a sound nation provided they are placed into good school and timely if they imbibe the values of discipline, punctuality, seriousness and duty as envisioned by our late president, our former president, Sri Abdul Kalam ji. Children can certainly bring glory to the nation. So in this regard, I request the parents to ensure the quality of education what is being imparted in the school. Parents have to monitor the progress of the students in the home, and it is at the home the student learns through observation, through suggestion, and influence in the house environment has a great bearing on the child. With this, I wish to say, because majority of the strength present here is from the neighboring places, I wish to speak few words in Telugu. పిల్లలను 5 సీలమ్మ, 5 సీల నుంచి తప్పియాలి. 5 సీల్ అంటే ఒకటి క్రికెట్, ఒకటి కేబుల్ టీవీ, ఒకటి సినిమా, ఒకటి సెల్ ఫోను, ఒకటి చాటింగు. ఈ 5 సీల నుంచి పిల్లలను కనుక మీరు తప్పించినట్టయితే అందరు ఆశించిన విధంగా జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ గారు అన్నట్టు ఈ నేటి విద్యార్థులు రేపటి పౌరులు అన్న విధంగా ఈ యొక్క దేశాన్ని ఉత్తీర్ణంగా తీర్చిదిద్దేందుకు దోహదపడుతుంది. కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఈ యొక్క అంశాలను విశ్వాసంలోకి తీసుకొని, మరి వేసవి కాలం వచ్చిందంటే పిల్లలను వారి తల్లిదండ్రులు వాళ్ళ అమ్మమ్మ ఊరికో నాయనమ్మ ఊరికో తీసుకొని వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు. ఈ బిహెచ్ఎల్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, నేను అనుకుంటా గ్రేటర్ హైదరాబాద్ మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్లో ఎక్కడ కూడా ఇలాంటి ఒక వాతావరణం లేదు. ఇక్కడ మీ వెనకకు చూస్తే బాస్కెట్బాల్ కోర్ట్ ఉంది, పక్కకు చూస్తే స్టేడియం ఉంది, అక్కడ పక్కకు చూస్తే స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఉంది, ఇంకొద్దిగా ఒక 2 minutes దూరం పోతే పీజీఆర్ స్టేడియం ఉంది. చాలా చక్కటి వాతావరణం ఇక్కడ నెలకొని ఉంది. ఎవరు కూడా వెకేషన్స్ వచ్చినాయంటే అమ్మమ్మ ఊరుకో నాయనమ్మ ఊరుకో అని వెళ్ళిపోయినట్టయితే మనం ఏ ఏజ్లో పిల్లగాలకు డెవలప్మెంట్ మనం అందియగలుగుతామో సరైన సమయంలో సరైన విధంగా మనం వారికైతే దోహదపడి త్యాగం చేసి వారి భవిష్యత్తులో మనము కొంత దృష్టి పెట్టినట్టయితే తప్పకుండా కూడా ఉజ్వలమైనటువంటి భవిష్యత్తు కోసం మనం దోహదపడగలుగుతామని చెప్పేసి ఈ సందర్భంగా మనవి చేసుకుంటూ, ఐ విష్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ సక్సెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir. Today's students are tomorrow's citizens. Hence, a teacher is responsible for molding, monitoring, and guiding her students to attain all-round development. We are proud to say that St. Anne's High School had such faculty right from its inception. Many of our teachers have put in more than 25